going, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maddison Hill, and yes, it's time for an off-the-cuff pop-off with Maddison, because obviously I have to talk about the verdict in the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard trial. So for those of you who missed it or haven't been on the internet at all lately, Johnny Depp was suing his ex-wife Amber Heard for $50 million for defamation based on a 2018 op-ed that she wrote about being a victim of domestic violence in the Washington Post. Amber Heard also countersued Johnny Depp for defamation for $100 million. This trial has been ongoing for the past several weeks. We saw people from Johnny Depp's side testify, including Johnny Depp himself. We saw Amber Heard testify and people on her side testify as well. There were accusations of physical abuse, sexual abuse. It was just a lot to process these past few weeks, and now the jury has officially come back with a verdict. So I'm gonna break everything down because I know you guys are already seeing this verdict online. I really want to break this verdict down. That way we can all understand and all wrap our minds around it, because to be completely honest with you guys, I am still very shocked. I've said it a million times when I've done videos talking about this trial. Defamation cases are so incredibly hard to win because it's incredibly hard to prove malice, which is necessary in a defamation case. We're gonna get into it. You guys know off-the-cuff pop-offs can kind of be a little all over the place, so bear with me. But let's go ahead and get into unwrapping these Johnny Depp and Amber Heard facts. Okay, so as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, Johnny Depp was suing his ex-wife Amber Heard for $50 million for defamation based on a 2018 op-ed that she published in the Washington Post. Now, in this op-ed that Amber Heard published, she talked about being a victim of domestic violence. She also made several accusations about physical and sexual abuse, and while she never named Johnny Depp personally, it was very obvious she was talking about her relationship with Johnny Depp, which caused the public to absolutely crucify Johnny Depp. He lost out on work, he lost money, which is why he went ahead and went forward with suing Amber Heard for this $50 million. Now, in addition to that, I do also want to mention, because this is going to be very important when we talk about the verdict, that Amber Heard also countersued Johnny Depp for defamation for $100 million. Now, also, as I mentioned, this trial that took place in Virginia has been ongoing for several weeks now, and during those several weeks, we heard a ton of testimony. Not only did Johnny Depp and Amber Heard both testify on their own behalves, but we also had tons of people from their lives testify to these accusations of physical and sexual abuse, and also just a lot of the toxicity that occurred in Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's relationship. Now, after all of the testimony and a lot of people being captivated by this trial and sharing their opinions on social media, we now finally have a verdict. After multiple days of deliberation, the jury came back today, and they came back with the verdict that Johnny Depp won his defamation case against Amber Heard, which is absolutely shocking to me. Not that I didn't believe Johnny Depp, not that I didn't believe Amber Heard. It's just very surprising to me that he was able to win this defamation case, because like I said, defamation cases are incredibly hard to win. So shout out to Johnny Depp's legal team, because this is major. Now, when it comes to Johnny Depp's win, as I mentioned, he did sue Amber Heard for $50 million. The jury did not say that he deserves the full $50 million. Instead, they came back and said that Amber Heard owes Johnny Depp $15 million. That's $10 million in compensatory damages and $5 million in punitive damages. Now, I do want to mention the state of Virginia actually has a cap on how much a person can owe somebody in punitive damages, and that cap is $350,000. So while yes, it's being reported that Amber Heard owes Johnny Depp $15 million, when it really comes down to the dollars and cents based on Virginia law, she actually owes Johnny about $8.3 million. So still a win, not only monetarily, but I feel like overall for Johnny Depp, he definitely cleared his name, he got his truth out there, he got his side of the story out there, and he's definitely going to be able to work again. Now, like I mentioned, Amber Heard also filed a countersuit against Johnny Depp for $100 million. Now, the thing is, she also technically won her defamation case, but her win is not as big as Johnny Depp. The jury came back and said that Johnny Depp owes Amber Heard $2 million in compensatory damages and $0 in punitive damages. So while yes, Amber Heard is also technically a winner in this situation, I feel like that's completely being overshadowed because Johnny Depp is really coming out on top with the bigger win. Now, since the jury came back, both Johnny Depp and Amber Heard have released a statement. Here's Amber Heard's statement that she posted on Instagram. It reads, "The disappointment I feel today is beyond words. I'm heartbroken that the mountain of evidence still was not enough to stand up to the disproportionate power, influence, and sway of my ex-husband." She also talked about how disappointed she is and what this verdict means for women. She talked about how it's a setback. She went on to say that she believes Johnny's attorney succeeded in getting the jury to overlook the key issue of freedom of speech. She ended her statement saying, "I'm sad I lost this case, but I'm sadder still that I seem to have lost a right I thought I had as an American to speak freely and openly. Now, Johnny Depp released a statement as well. He started his statement off saying, 6 years ago, my life, the life of my children, and the lives of those closest to me, and also the lives of the people who for many, many years have supported and believed in me, were forever changed. He went on to say that from the beginning of this trial, the goal of bringing this case was to reveal the truth, regardless of the outcome. He says, speaking the truth was something, quote, that I owed to my children and to all of those who have remained steadfast in their support for me. Johnny Depp ended his statement saying, quote, I wish to acknowledge the noble work of the judge, the jurors, the court staff, and the sheriffs who have sacrificed their own time to get to this point, and to my diligent and unwavering legal team who did an extraordinary job. That's definitely the truth. And then he ended it with a saying in Latin, and the saying is, truth never perishes. All right, you guys, I know I've been sprinkling in my thoughts while I was unwrapping the facts, but now we're gonna go ahead and make this pop off official. And because this trial still dealt with a lot of serious issues and a lot of serious things, I don't feel it's appropriate to pop bottles. I know you Johnny Depp supporters are probably popping bottles and having shams today, and I am so happy for you, but as far as I'm concerned, I don't really feel like it's appropriate for me to shambong in this situation, so we're just gonna go ahead and hydrate and wish positive vibes for everyone here in the House of Hill. Okay, you guys, so like I kind of have already said, my first reaction when I saw that Johnny Depp was the one who came out on top, I was absolutely shocked. I really actually thought he was going to lose, and it's not because I don't believe what he was saying. It's not because I 1000% believe Amber Heard and everything she said on the stand. It's solely based on the fact that everything I've learned and read is that defamation cases are really hard to win because it's incredibly hard to prove malice. So I was kind of under the impression that Johnny Depp was going to lose in the court of law, but to my surprise, Johnny Depp won in the court of law and in the court of public opinion. So he really has to be feeling good. And I mean, as far as where Johnny Depp and Amber Heard go from here, because I've had people texting me and they're like, do you think Amber Heard is canceled? Is she over? Will she ever work again? I think Amber Heard is going to be on a very, very, very long hiatus. I think that she is not going to work for a long time, but I do not actually think that she is fully canceled. I think that she'll still be able to get some work in some smaller films, maybe some indie films. However, do I think she's gonna get a huge studio blockbuster film anytime in the near future? Probably not. Maybe 10, 12 years down the line, maybe a big studio will toy with the idea of having Amber Heard come on, but just based on the fact that Aquaman 2 already has so many signatures wanting her removed, and her part has already been scaled down a ton, I don't know. I just feel like it's gonna be a long time until we see Amber Heard in a major film, but that's okay, you guys. She's gonna be fine. Like I said, I think she'll still be able to get some smaller roles, and also, she's a mother, and there's rumors that Elon Musk is her baby daddy. Well, yes, I know Amber Heard used a surrogate, and that she created embryos with someone. The rumors are out there that she created those embryos with Elon Musk, which tells me Elon Musk has to be helping her financially if she's raising their child. So I think regardless, Amber Heard is going to be okay. Now, as far as Johnny Depp is concerned, I think his life is about to do a complete 180 compared to what it's been the past 6 years. I think that he is definitely going to start getting more roles. I think he's definitely going to feel okay to start putting himself out there again. I know he played a show in the UK recently. That's actually why he wasn't even in court for the reading of the verdict. But still, I'm just saying, I feel like Johnny Depp is really going to start getting his life back, his reputation back. Do I think he's going to be starring in something at the same caliber of Pirates of the Caribbean within the next year? Probably not. I still think it's going to take him a little time, but ultimately, I feel like he did definitely repair his reputation, and it sounds like that was ultimately his goal when it came to this trial. Other than that, you guys, I just feel like this whole trial was wild. It captivated everybody. People were watching this 24/7. If you were one of those people, I commend you. I definitely couldn't do it. It's just insane to me how many people were so invested in this trial. And now I will say I'm happy it's over. Johnny Depp won. Amber Heard also won a little bit. And now we can finally put this whole thing to rest. All right, you guys, that is all I have for you when it comes to Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. I want to hear all of your thoughts and feels down below. While you guys are at it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget that notification bell. For more content, make sure you guys follow me over on Instagram and TikTok. And of course, don't forget to keep coming back here to check out my YouTube shorts. If you guys want to make sure I see your comment or you just want to send me a little extra love, also don't forget that you can also click on that super thanks button down below. And in addition to that, if you guys want to check out my merch store, you can find all of my merch at houseofhill.com. And on that note, I'll see you guys next time.